Sharp STW6726MS 24-inch stainless steel dishwasher, 47 dB library quiet, third rack, power wash sprayer, 12-place settings. The Sharp STW6726MS is an excellent choice for those who appreciate a quiet, yet powerful cleaning experience. This 24-inch stainless steel dishwasher operates at a whisper-quiet 47 dB, making it ideal for open-concept homes or late-night cleanups. With a third rack and a powerful wash sprayer, it efficiently accommodates up to 12-place settings, perfect for families or those who love hosting dinner parties. The adjustable racks provide flexibility for larger items, allowing you to customize the interior based on your needs. Users love the power wash feature that targets stubborn stains, ensuring your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. However, one drawback is that installation can be a bit tricky, especially for those unfamiliar with plumbing, so professional installation may be required for optimal use. Overall, this dishwasher combines functionality with modern aesthetics, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher with 8-place settings. Compact and efficient, the Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher is perfect for small kitchens or apartments, where space is a premium. This model fits snugly into tight spaces while providing ample washing capability with its capacity to handle 8-place settings. It features a user-friendly control panel, allowing you to choose from multiple wash cycles tailored to your cleaning needs. Ideal for singles or couples, the Honeywell dishwasher excels in energy efficiency, consuming less water than traditional models, which is great for environmentally conscious users. Plus, its sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. However, given its compact size, it may struggle with larger pots and pans, which could require hand washing. Nonetheless, for everyday dish cleaning, this dishwasher efficiently delivers reliable performance without occupying too much space. Built-in dishwasher. Stainless steel dishwasher machine with adjustable racks, 16-place settings. Large capacity dishwasher. If you're looking for a spacious and efficient dishwasher, the 24 built-in dishwasher is the way to go. This model boasts a large capacity, accommodating between 14 to 16-place settings, making it perfect for larger families or frequent entertainers. The stainless steel design not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a sleek, modern appearance that fits well with any kitchen decor. The adjustable racks are a standout feature, allowing you to customize the interior layout based on your specific cleaning needs. Users appreciate the multiple wash cycles, which cater to different levels of soiling, ensuring thorough cleaning each time. However, its larger size may not be suitable for smaller kitchens, and installation might require professional help. All in all, this dishwasher is a fantastic option for those in need of high capacity and flexibility in their kitchen appliances. Midea 18-inch built-in dishwasher, slim space. Saving design with 8-place settings. The Midea 18-inch built-in dishwasher is designed with efficiency and space saving in mind, making it an ideal choice for city dwellers or anyone with limited kitchen space. Despite its compact size, it offers an impressive 8-place settings, which is remarkable for a dishwasher of this scale. The sleek design and stainless steel finish not only ensure durability, but also add a modern flair to your kitchen. This model is equipped with multiple wash modes, including a quick wash option for those times when you need clean dishes in a hurry. Users rave about its energy efficiency as it uses significantly less water compared to hand washing, helping to lower utility bills. However, the smaller interior may limit its capacity for larger cookware, requiring some planning for dish placement. For anyone needing a compact yet efficient dishwasher, the Midea is an excellent choice that balances performance and design seamlessly. EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher Portable with 6 programs. 5L built-in water tank for apartments and RV. 167 high temp, no hookup needed. Mini dishwasher with baby care. Air dry, quick/eco/fruit/normal mode. Taking the top spot is the EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher, a marvel of convenience and functionality for those who lead a busy lifestyle or live in small spaces. This portable dishwasher features a built-in 5L water tank, so you don't need a hookup, making it perfect for apartments, RVs, or even during camping trips. With 6 versatile programs, Including high-temperature settings up to 167, it ensures that your dishes are sanitized and sparkling clean every time. The mini size doesn't compromise on capability, as it can handle various dish types, from delicate glassware to sturdy pots. Users appreciate features like the air-dry mode and fruit washing mode, adding extra utility. One minor downside is that its compact size means it may need to be refilled more frequently with water for larger loads. However, its portability and efficiency make it a phenomenal choice for those in need of a reliable dishwasher that doesn't take up much space.